Next important topic, recent advancement in banking sector. E-banking, RTGS, NEFT, debit and credit card, Paytm, ATM. E-banking. Online banking, also known as e-banking and internet banking. It enables customers of a bank to conduct a range of financial transactions through its institution's website. RTGS, real-time gross settlement. Here, transaction happens in time and hence fast. Minimum amount RTGS transfer rupees 2 lakhs. NEFT, National Electronic Fund Transfer. Here, transaction happens in batches and hence it is a slow process. No minimum amount for transfer. Next one, debit card. This card allowing the cash card holder to transfer money electronically from their account while making a purchase. We are having cash amount in our account, that time we are using the card, debit card. Whether we are having the cash or we are not having cash even in our account, at that time we are making purchase through one card, that card is known as credit card. Credit card combine payment services with extension of credit, and in future the card holder have to repay the credit together with the rate of interest high. Paytm. Payments Bank in August 2015, Paytm received a license from RBI to launch a payments bank. Founder of Paytm Bank, separate entity, Vijay Shankar Sharma. ATM. Automated teller machinery 67 is introduced. Its main aim is to provide to the cardholder anytime they can withdraw the money during the emergency situation. Two more important concepts we are having: money market, capital market, and next one, demonetization. Money market is the mechanism through which short-term funds are loaned and borrowed. National banking, NBFI and RBI catering the requirements of money market. NBFI here refers to non-banking financial institution. What are the examples of NBFI? LIC, GIC, UTI. Non-banking financial institution. Clear? Capital market. Capital market is a part of financial system which is concerned with raising capital by dealing in shares, bonds and other long-term investments. Now we are going to discuss very important concept, demonetization. So many times they are asking this question, very often repeated question, 3 marks. Demonetization means current forms of money is pulled from circulation with new currency or coins. On November 8, 2016, Indian Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi announced demonetization of all rupees 500 as well as rupees 1000 and banknotes of Mahatma Gandhi series. This concept is known as demonetization. What is the term? Current forms of money is pulled from circulation and instead that they issue new currency notes and coins. That is that. What are the main important objectives of demonetization? Means removing black money, curbing fake notes, and next one, stopping terror funds, stopping of corruption. That's the chapter over, and as per our already information given to you all, I just uploaded the question paper for lesson 6. Read each and every question carefully and write the test in a neat and submit fast as early as possible. Thank you all.